guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is looking all beautiful today thanks to ULAHAIR. You guys can see this very beautiful hair on my head. I'm gonna give you guys 1 second. Can you guess what this is? Can you guess what type of hair this is? This is not a wig. This is a crochet hair. Yes, you heard me right. This is a crochet hair, and the curl pattern on this hair is a pixie curl pattern in the length 20 inches, and I was able to crochet it into this very beautiful style. Honestly, you guys are going to love this crochet hair. This style is like currently trending right now, and I wanted to do something different with this crochet hair. So if you guys want to slay like me, if you guys love what you are looking at, then please buy this hair from ULAHAIR. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this beautiful hair, how I installed this crochet hair. So without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video.
Okay guys, this is how the hair comes in. Whenever you are shopping from ULAHAIR, your wig will always come with goodies. Now ULAHAIR sent me 2 bundles of this crochet hair. This is the pixie curl crochet hair in 20 inches. You guys, this hair is so soft. It is so lightweight. You are going to love it. It is just so nice. The texture is amazing, and I had to go to the salon just because I couldn't do this style by myself, and the braider separated my hair into 2 equal parts, and I proceeded to do like a stitch braid. I used some attachments just so that the hair can last longer and for it to look nice and neat. And yeah guys, you guys would see how this hair turned out. Everything from here is self-explanatory. As you are watching it, you can figure out what I did. And later on, the hairdresser added the crochet, and that was it. This style took me around an hour to do. It is quick, it is easy, and you are going to love this one.
Guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. What do you guys think about this crochet hair? You guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Like, this is my favorite hair right now because you guys, I look gorgeous with this crochet hair, and this is like fresh out of the pack. Yesterday I went to the salon to get this hair done, and this is the hair today. You guys can see that the curls are still intact. I didn't have to use any water or any mousse to define the curls again. You guys, this is how, like, I just literally went to bed, wrapped up this hair, put on my bonnet, went to bed, woke up this morning, did my makeup, took out my bonnet, and you guys, the curls are still popping. You guys, I'm going to put the hair up in a bun. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put it up in a bun. So I have this, this is like a crochet hair from one of my previous crochet that I loosened, and I'm going to use this to like put the hair up in a bun, because with this crochet hair you can do different styles. Okay, if you don't want your hair to like touch your shoulders and you want to go for like a different look, you can do it like this. You guys, This is so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna put the hair up in a bun, guys. So I have my hair up in like a messy bun. You guys can see that. Like, this is so cute. You can also wear your hair in a messy bun like this with some curly hair like peeking out. Honestly, this is so cute. ULAHAIR, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love it so much. I love this crochet hair. It is so soft. The curls, like the pixie curls, you guys, ULAHAIR, you guys are the absolute best. You guys should send me more of this crochet hair in different curl patterns, because you did an amazing job with this crochet hair, and I love it so much. You guys watching me right now, please do well to go and buy your own crochet hair. If you don't want to buy the pixie curl pattern, there are different patterns on ULAHAIR website. They have it in the kinky curls, you know, they have it in different curl pattern, and you guys are going to love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the link to go and buy your own hair. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Until then, bye guys. Bye.